Today we're going to be doing a tri-tip reverse seared on our Pit Boss. My name is RJ and this is Beginner's Barbecue Outdoors. So we're going to be using our new rub from Percy's. Is a pasture blend. This is a brisket rub, and I'm going to use this rub for this tri-tip. And one of the most important things you can do in the barbecue is make sure you monitor the internal temps of your meat. And for that, we're going to be using our Temp Spike Plus. It's just a little guy here, but man, it does a real good job on that. And also as a binder, I'm going to be using Worcestershire sauce as a binder. Alright, so first thing we want to do is, so you want to look at how the grain is at here, and you're cutting against the grain. So if we look here on the side here, from this, the half on the left is going down like this, and then half on the right is going down straight down. So if we're cutting against the grain, the bottom part is going to be cut straight like this, and then once we go to the top part, we're going to be cutting sideways. So against the grain, and that's how it is. All right, let's go ahead and add our binder, and it's a little bit of this Worcestershire sauce that we're going to be using to go all of it. There we go. Now it's time to add the rub. Now the other rub, the farmhouse blend one, was delicious. And so I'm excited to try this other one they have and see how it goes. So remember, we're going to tap it in there. Just a little tappity tap. Now we're going to flip it, and we're going to do the same. So this is about 2 pounds of tri-tip. Very lean. There's not a lot of fat, as you can see. Normally you'll get some and you have to trim it. You buy it for 3 pounds and then you trim it. Now it's not 3 pounds no more. But this one is already trimmed and everything, and it was at 2 pounds. Alright, there you have it. Now we're going to add our temp spike in there, and we're going to put it on the thicker side. So right here. And there you go. This will connect to the phone. You go inside, relax, and keep an eye on it through our phone. So the question is, how we're going to cook this. We're going to put this on our Pit Boss at 275 degrees. Now we're going to keep an eye on it. Once it hits about 145, it's time to cook it over fire to get that nice sear look. That being said, let's go ahead and fire up our Pit Boss. Our Pit Boss is up to temp 275. We'll be back when it hits 145 internal for our next step. All right, our temp spike says it's at 145. Let's go ahead and open this up. Let's go ahead and raise the temperature to 325. Alright, this is ready to come out. Alright, we're back. So before we get into this, have a quick recap of what we did today. so here we have, as you can see, the juices are just coming out, and it looks great and it smells delicious. Now, the searing part, you're gonna sear it. You know, mine took about 4 minutes total. So you're just gonna sear it enough until you see that it looks just how you want it. Once it has that sear look, you're good to go. So for me, it took about 2 minutes each, 2 minutes each side. So let's go ahead and take our temp spike out. Man, looking good. So we did it all the way to 145 internal temp, and then we started to sear it. After resting it for about 10 minutes, I think it's about 160 total internal. So let's go ahead and cut this. So yeah, it's about 160 internal temp after it's all said and done. So you guys remember the grain was coming down this way and this half was going sideways. I like the end part. I like that's the best part of the whole cut. All right, looking good. Look at all that. Look at those juices. Ooh, cheers. Oh my God. Oh my God, that flavor. That rub's really good. Oh my God. So you always gotta remember how we did it at 145 internal, but at the end result, it was about 160. You gotta take that in consideration depending how you like your meat, especially your beef. You like it medium well done. You guys always have to think about the searing part. It's gonna add more cooking time, and then the rest is still going to be cooking inside while it's still resting. So always have to remember to take that into consideration. So 145 internal, and it ended up about 15 degrees higher at the very end. So if you guys like it, guys, medium rare, then instead of 145, you're gonna go way lower than that. So you guys can at the very end have it where you guys want it. It's juicy. I mean, this is perfect for me. I like this a lot. That rub, the temp spike, there's be links in the description if you guys want to check them out. Make sure you guys leave that like, that subscribe. Without you guys, this channel will not be possible, so make sure you guys hit that subscribe, because we got more great things coming. We got a brisket coming. We got some poor man burnt ends. We got some pork belly burnt ends. There's a lot of things coming this summer. We're gonna be busy. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.